Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show how to disconnect your Instagram from your Facebook account. You can either stop cross-posting or completely unlink both accounts. So let's dive in. Start by opening either Facebook or Instagram. The steps are almost the same on both apps. If you're using Facebook, tap the menu button, scroll down, choose Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Now find Account Center. You might need to tap See More to view it. If you're starting from Instagram, tap your profile, then the three lines at the top right, and you'll see Account Center there as well. Once you're inside Account Center, there are two ways to unlink the accounts. First method to stop automatic sharing. Tap Sharing across profiles, select Instagram or Facebook, and simply turn off any cross-posting options. This stops both apps from sharing your posts automatically. Second method to fully remove the connection. Go back to the main Account Center screen, scroll down, tap Accounts, choose the account you want to disconnect, and press Remove Account. Confirm it, and your Instagram and Facebook will be unlinked. And that's all you need. Your accounts are now disconnected. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.